Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to join a WhatsApp community group updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you're new to communities or just curious about how they work, stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to join any community with confidence. First things first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the most recent version so all the latest features are available. Once you're in, you'll see several tabs along the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. Tap on the one labeled Communities. This is where all your groups under the new Communities feature are organized. Next, look for the option that says Join Community. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, sometimes this option appears when you scroll to the top or bottom of the Communities tab. Tap Join Community to start exploring available options. Alternatively, if someone has sent you an invite link for a specific community, simply tap the link. It will automatically open in WhatsApp and take you straight to that community's details page. Now that you're viewing the community, take a moment to review its details. You'll see the community name, a short description, and sometimes a list of the groups included within it. This helps you understand what the community is about before you decide to join. Once you've looked everything over and you're ready to become part of it, tap the Join button. That's it. You're now a member of the community. Inside the community, you'll find topic-based groups where members can chat, share updates, and collaborate easily. You can join specific groups within the community that match your interests, or stay in the main announcements group to receive updates from the admins. And that's how simple it is to join a WhatsApp community group. Open the app, go to the Communities tab, tap Join Community, or use an invite link, review the details, and tap Join. You're all set to connect with others and be part of something bigger. Thanks for watching.